Okay, so what we are learning? We are learning about changing font style. So this is the text we have written on our document. So first of all, we have to select this text. So how you can select this text? Using the mouse or using Control A from your keyboard. So I have selected my text. Now by default, you can see change font style is Calibri, and from this drop down button you can choose any kind of font style whatever you would like to choose. Okay, so you can just select here, or you can, if you remember the name, you can directly write here. Suppose uh, I have one name, remember, like Times New Roman, so you can just type the name here, or you can select from it. It totally depends upon you. So in this way you can change your font style. Okay. Okay, so now moving back to the next topic. Next, we are having changing font size. So I have told you this thing also, but we will continue with this topic also. Changing font size. To change font size, select the text. So first of all, we have to write this text and we have to select this thing. Next, on the home tab in font group, click on the font size drop down button. A font size list with different values will be appear. Move the cursor over different font size value to see the selected text in those sizes, and click on any font size to select it. The font size of selected text will change. You can also enter the desired font size in size field. Next, we are having the font size of any text can also be changed by using the increase font size, and this is the shortcut. You have to note it down, each and every shortcut, because that will be helpful for all of you for speed purpose. Control Shift plus arrow key, control on decreasing, Control Shift plus left arrow key. So this is your right and this is your left. Okay, so we will move back here. So what you have to do, we have written this text, we have to select complete text. Now what we have to do, from here you can change the font size. When you will click on this drop down button, different values are available, and you can choose whatever you would like to do. So either you can choose this or you can write directly here. So here you can also write your value. Suppose I am writing 60, it will change the text. 72, sorry. Okay. Or we are having 48 and we are having 36. So you can directly write or you can directly select from here. It totally depends upon you. And you can do this thing with the shortcut also. So right now I am pressing Control Shift and the key near to the question mark in your keyboard. Okay, so when I am pressing the right hand side, it will increasing. When I am pressing the left hand side, it is decreasing the font size. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Any doubts, you can write in chat box. So next we are having changing font style. Okay, very good, no doubts. So next we are having changing font style. You can change font style by making the text. We are having, ma'am. Okay. If you are having, you can note it down. Then in last 10 minutes, we will clear your doubts. Okay. Just note it down your doubts. You can change the font style by making the text bold, italic, and underline. So we are having basically three types of font style: bold, italic, and underline. Making text bold means to increase its weight. Making text italic means to incline it, or an underline text means to make a line to appear below the text. The buttons to make bold, italic, and underline are present in the font group of the home. And next we are having, so these are the buttons. So in font group, you can see this B, I, and U. So these are your font style. Okay, and we are having more option in underline also. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग हाउ यू कैन मेक योर टेक्स्ट बोल्ड. सिलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट. तब अगर आपको फोन चेंज करना है, स्टाइल चेंज करना है, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू, बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट. Second point, on the home tab in font group, click on bold button and selected text will become bold. And to make it italic, steps are same. Just you have to select the text in home tab, then you have to click on bold, italic or underline. Rest everything is same. And we are having some shortcuts also. You have to note it down. For bold, you have to press Control B. For italic, Control I. And for underline, Control plus U. Now I will show you this practical. Suppose this is the text, I am going to change the font style. So first of all, I will select this text. Next, come here in font group. If you want to make it bold, it's already in bold according to our selected font. I will just change the font type. Now you can see. If I will pressing B, so it will become bold. मतलब और highlighted हो जाएगा, इसका weightage थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा. Next, अगर हम इसको italic करेंगे तो थोड़ा ये हमारा incline हो जाएगा. ऐसे. ठीक है. एंड अंडरलाइन करेंगे तो जैसे कि आपने सिर्फ लर्निंग को सिलेक्ट किया था तो लर्निंग आपका अंडरलाइन होगा. पूरा टेक्स्ट सिलेक्ट करोगे तो पूरा सिलेक्ट होगा. और अगर आप इस अंडरलाइन का स्टाइल भी चेंज करना सकते हो, जैसे कि अगर ये करोगे डबल अंडरलाइन, ये थोड़ा बोल्ड अंडरलाइन, ये थोड़ा डॉटेड अंडरलाइन, ये थोड़ा और डॉटेड अंडरलाइन, डैश्ड अंडरलाइन. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू कैन सिलेक्ट एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सिलेक्ट द अंडरलाइन कलर. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? So I have done this thing with the help of mouse. You can done all these things with the help of keyboard also. Okay. So suppose I am writing, I will just deselect this and I will write, I am enjoying this session. Okay, suppose this text you have written now with the help of keyboard, just as your cursor is here. अगर आप इस लाइन को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हो और ये कर्सर आपका लाइन के एंड पे है, सो आपको इस टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए क्या करना है? यू हैव टू प्रेस शिफ्ट एंड होम की फ्रॉम योर कीबोर्ड. आपको क्या प्रेस करना है? शिफ्ट होम. जैसे ही आप शिफ्ट होम करोगे तो यहाँ से होम मतलब यहाँ तक आपका टेक्स्ट वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. अब अगर आपको इसको बोल्ड करना है, सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड यू हैव टू प्रेस कंट्रोल बी. तो जैसे ही आप कंट्रोल बी प्रेस करोगे बोल्ड हो जाएगा. कंट्रोल आई करोगे तो इटैलिक हो जाएगा और कंट्रोल यू करोगे तो अंडरलाइन हो जाएगा. सो ऑल दिस थिंग यू कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ कीबोर्ड एज वेल एज विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस ऑप्शन. So both option you must learn and you have to note it down this shortcut also. Now tell me any kinds of doubt. Okay, now I will just complete this session